Today I am gonna tell you the best ever website from earning. That the website is Fiverr. Before the video, I'm gonna tell you please like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, Fiverr is a freelancing online earning website that promotes professional skills like logo design, social media poster, voiceover, typing words, and many more for various companies and the clients. It is the easiest way to earn money, starting from the $5 per gig, out of which $1 is charged by Fiverr for using the service. But any person with minimum skill can use the Fiverr and effortlessly earn $100 or more per hour. Yes guys, you can earn $100 or more per hour. All you have to do is list up service that you offer and get an order. Once the order is done, you can get paid and get win for more order. Here $5 winning streak for everyone. Great money security is offered to all sellers. You can create multiple gigs, easy to get an account, good conversation rate. It's a little difficult for the beginner, but Fiverr cuts 20% of commission from your every order. But if you have good order, that is not a big deal for anyone. Fiverr waits 14 days before sending your payments. So guys, I hope you guys visit Fiverr and show your skill on Fiverr and make money online. So guys, we are waiting for that you visit Fiverr and make money. See you guys in the next video. And guys, we have one request, please subscribe our channel that we can provide you more and more videos that how you can earn money online. So guys, this website have also their apps on the Play Store and iPhone Store. So guys, visit this app or website for making money. See you guys in the next videos. Take care.